Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski.
All right.
Uzoseva ukuthi unoba. Nonjebe.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
I am Nang.
Great.
Yeah.
Hey, shasingamoshi isikhathi Sibo.
Bangene.
Okay. Sibo. Besidlala TS Galaxy ne before size kule game.
Yeah.
3 minutes.
Sure.
To igame ne iqalile igame. Kune bhola edlalwe uMfukeng.
Yeah.
To uMasindi.
Sure.
And then uMasindi.
Yeah.
Wadlala i-through for uMuremi.
Va.
uMuremi washaya i-shot on target.
Yes.
Unfortunately yashaya ibhala.
Yes.
Isikhathi besithini 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Today kunebhola idlalwe uApolice.
Show me near.
Wadlalela uMfukeng.
Show me near.
uMfukeng wadlalela uEvidence.
Evidence
bamshaya eboxini.
Show me near.
Penalty.
Show me near.
Unfortunately uEvidence washaya ibhala.
Show me near.
Besithini isikhathi besithi 3 minutes.
Yo.
Itshela ukuthini lento Sithibo. First 5 minutes of i-game. iBuccaneers lizopressa and we are most likely to create a scoring opportunity first 5 minutes. Because remember ngakutshela ngathi i-football igame yani yama-pattern.
Patterns.
Yes, because if 3 minutes izokhona ukuthi sishaye ibhala versus TS Galaxy. Today sithole penalty ngo 3 minutes. Ngendlela ecishe ifane involving ama-player lawo ekubalela wona iyakutshela ukuthi i-pattern size egameni i-first 5 minutes sifuna ukuthola igoli okanye sikupress.
Show me near.
All right. Asisebenza ke Sithibo.
Well said.
All right. Sithibo, there is something for ama-winger esibiza ngokuthi ball dependent positioning.
Yini le?
Lento ithi as i-winger
Sure.
indlela oyipositiona ngayo kumele ubheke ibhola ukuthi likuphi. Awubheka ama-player, ubheka yini? Ibhola ukuthi likuphi. Ball dependent positioning. Alright. Mhlawumbe abantu abaningi bazoyibuza ukuthi why uApolice ehleze create ama-chances kanje. uApolice uyemasterisha le concept le ye ball dependent positioning for ama-wing.
How?
Okay, maybe omunye umuntu uzothi yini leyo? Asiqaleni la Sithibo. Let us say okanye uzothi yini ama-advantages ayo lento le. Normal ama-wing abakuma-channel, right?
Sure.
But for uApolice check mostly akekho kuma-channel. Isikhathi esiningi uba la kuma-half spaces, especially if isibuilder.
Yeah.
Lento le concept allow i-fullback yakho ukuthi ithathe i-channel. Let us say for instance njengoba bedlala no Libitso today bedlala esayidini lika Libitso. So if yena ibhola likwi center back indlela ayipositiona ngayo yena uzodrop engene la kwi-half space. Why yenza leyo? Because uyefuna ukala uLibitso ethathe i-channel. And also give i-option to i-center back yokuthi if kuthi bavala uLibitso sibuilder kwi-channel i-center back ingakhona ukuthi idlale la kuma-half spaces.
Sure.
If kuthi akadlali kuma-half space i-center back kuma-half spaces ingadlala to i-full back. If kuthi i-opponent decide ukuthi izovala uLibitso iphinde ivale nawo uApolice, uyabona ukuthi njengoba bevala ngama-player ayi-2 i-center back isine space ukuthi i-challenge yini i-space ngebhola because akunamuntu ozayo kubona ngoba labantu babheke uLibitso babheka nobani noApolice.
Sure.
Which means ubalekile uApolice kuyona yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Again i-ball dependent positioning ikusiza kuphi? Ikusiza ekuthenini as i-winger you can support underneath the ball. You can be closer to a striker, you can be closer to Evidence. Hence why amabhola amaningi uApolice ekhona ukuthi wadlale la kuma spaces okanye central zone because he is supporting underneath. Again Sithibo, the way kumele uyiposition ngayo as a winger, let us say ibhola likwi right back okay njoba yena bedlala kule side lesu la ka right let's say ibhola likwi left back the way I position ngakhona kumele create something esibiza ngokuthi a minimum width, which means we position kanjani uba on the outside shoulder of a full back. Let's say ngi full back mina ngiya defender ngi right back ngiya defender ngiyakuphi ngiyale bese untshebe police right shiya ukuthi unentshebe ke yeah bese untshebe
akusumakhawula
miyeke makhawula wePakania but sisasengala amakhawula ngeke okay yasibile la bese untshebe njengoba mina ngi full back ngidefender ngiyara untshebe esimthathe ngokuthi police uya attack if ngithi kumele create a minimum width bese eba out a position outside of I shoulder ye full back, which means there is no need for him ukuthi ebe far kwi channel kumele asondele la. If ngithi outside of I shoulder ngithi ngiya defender ngiyale which means naye kumele ngihlale la.
Sure.
So right, if bedlala ibhola diagonal i full back idlala ibhola diagonal
sure
uzokhona ukuthi mebedlala la spacing usenze njani uyathena uyatheka usefisa ini usefisa ibhali likhona ibhola elidlalwe iswelele to side lika libizwa I forgot isikhathi but bekuyi second half. I think uSipho ushaye I save da because I wing ibe create something esibiza ngokuthi it's a minimum width be closer to libizwa kwaba difficult for libizwa ukuthi ayimake because ngalesikhathi iphenduka i10 ibisiface ini ibisiface ibhali. So police lezinto yayimasterisha. Alright, asibuyeleni last tip igame sasidlala neChipa iassist ka police wayela ku half space same game versus iChipa police wayela central edlalela bani uMuremi. Igame versus Stellenbosch I-cross okanye i6 le ayidlala to uMuremi ifinal waye kwi channel yabo sekubala izinto engakhi ngibala half space ngabala central ngabala i-channel and then igoal lesithuli kaMuremi final waye kuphi wayeqhamuka from i-half space again. Igoal alikore sidlala nalamajita lawa selisuthu ube kuphi ube la central. Zonke lezi zinto yabona ukuthi umthola ku in different zones kwi offensively. Why? Because uyayimasterisha lento esibiza ngokuthi ball dependent positioning. Hence why nange first half today si create ama chances amangaka. Unfortunately sahlule kwenze njani ukuthi siwakore team. Alright, igame cishe sayilahla team. Igame cishe sayilahla kuphi? Cishe sayilahla the moment iskipper umfukeng and then sa force police ukuthi engene kuphi engene central, which means police besedlala noMasindi edlala no Mariko. Now i-challenge bekhona because bese sifaka usibelebele nobani noMabasi. I-challenge sibe nayo ebesiyenza ukuthi iswelele ngazi ukuthi siyaspressa now si create nama chances because bese singaseni nayo umuntu obamba ibhola ekhalme igame because umfukeng uyakhona ukuthi ebambe ibhola ekhalme igame. So now thina mesithola ibhola bese sifuna ukurasha siyaku because remember Masindi like offensively uthanda ukuthi egijime pass forward and then police as well he's more like offensively minded kanti abomfukeng bayakhona ukuthi igame beyipolice yabo. So cishe sayilahla lapha igame ngokwami immediately meskipa umfukeng bekufanele sifake bani besifanele sifake umbule because ubonile uma sesifaka umbule igame siqalile senjani sayicontroller neswelele sanze njani sashifta emuva but then ngijabulile ukuthi ucoach ba ne technical team bakwazi ukuthi beyilungise le nto immediately mebebona ukuthi izinto ayihlangana befake bani befake umbulu. Yes, so today remember last game ngangitshela something ukuthi ngizokhuluma nga something capital I usukhohli lento yakho lo uqabuzwa amantombazana
bengibhizi vandag
yeah bengithe kuwena ngizokhuluma something about today esibiza ngokuthi it's a capital I and abantu bengihlangana nabo today stadium yini capital I ngabatshesi ngizokhuluma ngayo but then angifuni ukukhuluma ngento engekho clean yisabanye ngibatshelile ngathi ngizokhuluma ngayo but ngiyacela nina bengihlangana nani bengithembisile ngicela sishele for the next game because kunezinto engahlangananga kahle for igame ya today but yona definitely concepts nizo understand because abantu bengihlangana nabo benze njani bengibuza ukuthi yini capital I. Okay, sengivala Sipho siyabonga amaBhakania sijabulisa I think mekuphela igame there was a fan engidlane naye ekhala. I think uBrayo waluze wayishutha. So lonto iyakutshengisa ukuthi amajita ayaspana and remember kunabantu abasebenzisa imali zokugcina ukuthi beze la stadium and nane feedback esitholayo njengoba sisebenza so iyasikhuthaza kakhulu Sithibo. Remember ngithe the reason why our police dangerous so and we are most likely to create a scoring opportunity if ibhola liphezulu police is because we understand ball dependent positioning. Thank you Sithibo.
Thank you Minera. Hayi wena siya